Hi guys, finally the high powered recovery bot is ready. Yesterday I received the ESC and LiPo battery and I finished this project that I will test as soon as I can because the weather is not really nice for now. Maybe next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, because today I am free to test it, but the weather is not really good. I'll show you how it works. So on the ESC radio, it's very powerful, forward and backward. Hopefully it will work as I hope. Seems to be powerful. See you guys on the next day when we will test it.